everybody, this is Leysa Carrillo, creator and founder of Forever Curls Academy. And today I want to talk to you guys what I have on stock for 2024. Literally one of the kind curriculum and training that has an advanced level of customization for two different boot camps, color and cut and style. We have for 2024 a hybrid format training like nothing you have seen before. We pride ourselves on catering the best personalized experience and bringing together the most passionate community for 2024. Are you ready? Because I can't wait to share with you guys what is this hybrid learning about. I'm pretty sure there is nothing like this out there. I have created this curriculum with everything you need to take your career to the next level, and I really mean it. So I want to make sure that you understand, so I brought my phone so I can go over all my notes and I'm not missing anything. So hybrid learning means that you're going to have a numerous of videos that are going to be part of my curriculum that you're going to watch online on your own time. Then there is going to be 2 days in-person learning that you're going to come in to Miami, Florida to do every hands-on practice, every look and learn, all the aspects that you used to have at the academy on the past. The same thing. What I'm doing is all that business part, I want you to watch it, I want you to study before you come so you don't have to spend so many days at the academy. So what is included on the hybrid online training? So for the hybrid online training, remember, like the academy have been, we're dividing the academy in 2. Color Bootcamp that is going to happen in February, and we have cut and style that is going to happen in July. Both are going to have the hybrid learning where you're going to watch videos online and when you're going to come in person. When you're watching the videos online, the videos are going to be minimum 20 minutes to an hour. We're going to have a questionnaire at the very end of each video so you can learn and make sure that you answer those questions that give you an idea how ready you are after watching the video, if you comprehend and understand everything that was said there. If you feel that you have to rewatch it because when you went through the questions, you didn't remember any answer or nothing was clicking to you, here's the video. You can rewatch the video. So the videos are going to have mindset, career path, inspiration. We're going to have business and financial. We're going to have, of course, my color consultation guide, and of course I have a cutting, a styling consultation guide. We also gonna have color theory and chemistry with Redken. We're gonna understand the art of prepping the hair before any service with Malibu C. We also gonna have hair care theory and the language, the understanding on how to apply products, what are the products that the stylist should be using for curly hair, and we're gonna have Brenda helping us with that. So she's gonna go over all the chemistry and analyze everything that should be in every product that your clients are putting on the hair. So if they attach to something and they wondering why I cannot use that versus this, you knowing everything that should be on your client's bottle is gonna help you to be the hero of that conversation. We also gonna have a salon system guide that I have created. I also have the associate program, just in case you're planning to hire somebody. All of that information I have it set already. The hair anatomy and trichology is gonna be by Leysa. She's an amazing trichologist, so smart. You're gonna learn a lot from there. Brand building, social media, marketing, photography with Olivia Smalley. We also have the texture language. We have so much. So all of that is gonna be on videos, right? And then when you come to the 2 days in person, every day we're gonna have from 3 to 4 demo models that we all gonna collectively work on. physical, beautiful models. We're also gonna work with 2 to 3 doll heads from 8 in the morning to 5 p.m. I'm gonna make sure that you advance on this technique and you master all these techniques. When it comes with cutting, we're gonna learn how to cut long, medium, and short, wavy, curly, and coil. So it's gonna be so many different haircuts every day with different texture. When it comes with color, we're gonna go over the naturals, the browns, the reds, the copper. We're also gonna see all my blonding techniques, color correction, vivets, how to reverse ombre, and all of that and more. Of course, if you decide to pick either color bootcamp or cutting bootcamp, you're gonna have a whole year free access to my online education. Why I like to do this? Because I feel a lot of us come to classes and then we forget what we learned, or we don't implement it right away in a specific technique and then you forgot. The good thing having this access to the digital academy, you're gonna rewatch a lot of my techniques and you can re-evaluate them. You can refresh them in your head and you can become the expert that I want you to be. I hope you enjoy this video that explains what is for 2024 at Forever Curls Academy. I'm extremely passionate and happy for this new journey. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to email us at info@forevercurlsbyleysa.com or on my social media. We have for sure the best getting back to people possible. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you at the Academy on 2024.